How to hard reset an iPhone without the Apple ID password. So you have to understand that after the reset, an activation lock may require the Apple ID and password that were previously linked to the device. So if you don't have those credentials, you may not be able to completely set up and use your iPhone. You can erase that is factory reset an iPhone without knowing the Apple ID, but that is the important limitation you have to take note of. All right, so the first method to actually reset is resetting by using the recovery mode. So if you've forgotten the passcode or you can't access your device settings, all you need to do is connect the iPhone to a computer. So you could open the Finder that is Mac, that is on your MacBook, or open Apple devices or iTunes on Windows, and then quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. By holding these, you are actually going to get access to the recovery mode screen, which would then be on your computer. And then all you need to do is just simply connect it up and just simply click on restore. After you've restored the iPhone, is you're going to run into the activation lock. So after the reset, you may see that your iPhone is linked to an Apple ID. So if that happens, you're going to need the Apple ID credentials associated with the device to activate it. Legitimate ways to remove this lock would be signing in the correct Apple ID, or asking the previous owner to remove it, or contacting Apple support and providing a valid proof of purchase. All right, guys, so that's how to go about it.